Stop. Before you scroll past, I need to show you something that your doctor probably never told you. There's a woman I treated, 58 years old. Her knees hurt so bad she couldn't walk down the stairs in the morning. Her arms felt weak. She told me, "Dr. Romalia, I feel like my body is 80 years old." 6 weeks later, she was hiking. Pain gone. Arms toned. Energy through the roof. What changed? 5 specific exercises. That's it. And today I'm going to give you all 5, backed by real science, proven in real women over 50, so you can feel that same transformation. But here's the thing I need you to understand first, and this is why most women over 50 are doing this completely wrong. Before we get into the exercises, let me share the research, because everything I'm going to tell you today is not opinion. It is science. A landmark study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that women over 50 who engaged in targeted resistance and mobility training for just 8 weeks experienced a 34% reduction in joint pain and a measurable increase in muscle mass. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic confirmed something critical. After the age of 50, women lose up to 3 to 5% of their muscle mass every single year, a process called sarcopenia, unless they actively fight it. And a Harvard Medical School study confirmed that low-impact strength training in women over 50 not only preserves bone density, it also reduces the risk of osteoporosis fractures by up to 41%. I'm Dr. Romalia. I deal with people every day, helping them reclaim their health through evidence-based advice. And I can tell you from both the science and from my patients, your body is not broken. It just needs the right signal. These 5 exercises, they are that signal. Let's get into it. Now, here is why most women over 50 feel stuck. They're told 2 things. Either just go for walks, which is fine, but not enough. Or they're handed a generic gym routine built for 25-year-old men, which leaves them injured, frustrated, and in more pain. Neither of these works. And here's the science behind why. After menopause, estrogen levels drop significantly. And estrogen isn't just a reproductive hormone, it plays a critical role in protecting your joints, maintaining collagen in your tendons, and preserving fast-twitch muscle fibers. When it drops, inflammation goes up, joint pain goes up, muscle tone disappears fast. So if you've been feeling like your body just gave up on you, that's not weakness. That is biology. But here's what the research also tells us. A 2023 study in Nature Reviews Rheumatology showed that targeted functional movement, specifically exercises that combine resistance, balance, and low-impact joint loading, can reverse these hormonal effects on the muscles and joints, even without medication, even at age 65, 70, and beyond. The body has an incredible capacity to regenerate, but you have to give it the right exercises, and that is exactly what I'm about to give you. These 5 exercises are specifically designed for women over 50. They protect your joints, build lean muscle, improve your posture, and many of my patients start feeling results within the very first 2 weeks. Ready? Let's go. Exercise number 1, wall sit with isometric hold. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Romalia, that sounds intense. It is not. It's actually one of the safest quad strengthening exercises for women with knee pain. And here's why. A clinical study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that isometric exercises, meaning exercises where you hold a position without moving, reduce knee joint stress by up to 50% compared to dynamic squats, while producing the same muscle activation. That means you get stronger legs without grinding your knees. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slide your back down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle or as close as is comfortable for you. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Build up to 45 seconds over time. Do 3 sets with a 30-second rest in between. The muscles engaged, your quadriceps, your glutes, and your core. This is the foundation of everything. Women over 50 who can hold a 30-second wall sit are statistically 37% less likely to experience knee injuries, according to a study in the Journal of Orthopedic Research. If 20 seconds feels too hard at first, that's perfectly fine. Start at 10. Your body will adapt faster than you think. Exercise number 2, the bird dog. This one is a personal favorite of mine for my patients with lower back pain, and statistically, over 70% of women over 50 report chronic lower back pain. If you're one of them, pay very close attention. Research published in the Spine Journal confirmed that the bird dog exercise activates the multifidus muscle, the deep spinal stabilizer, better than most traditional back exercises. And strengthening the multifidus is directly linked to reducing lower back pain and improving spinal alignment. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward while extending your left leg backwards simultaneously. Hold for 3 seconds. Keep your spine neutral, no arching or rounding. Return to center, then switch sides. Do 10 repetitions per side, 3 sets. What this exercise does is remarkable. It trains your body to stabilize from the inside. Your deep core muscles, your spinal muscles, your glutes, all working in coordination. This is exactly the kind of training that conventional gym programs skip. But for women over 50, it is non-negotiable. Bonus, this exercise also improves your balance, and a study by the CDC found that falls are the leading cause of injury-related death in adults over 65. Training your balance now is truly life-saving. Exercise number 3, resistance band seated row. This one targets your upper back, your rhomboids, your rear deltoids, and most importantly, your posture. After 50, postural muscles weaken rapidly. That's why so many women develop what I call the forward lean, shoulders rounding forward, head jutting out. Not only does this look older, it actually causes neck pain, shoulder pain, and even breathing problems. A 2023 study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that just 6 weeks of upper back resistance training in women over 50 improved their postural alignment by 28% and reduced neck and shoulder pain by an average of 41%. Here's how to do it. Sit tall on a chair or on the floor with legs extended. Loop a resistance band around your feet, hold one end in each hand. Pull the band toward your lower rib cage, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the peak. Control the return. Don't snap it back. Do 12 repetitions, 3 sets. If you don't have a resistance band, get one. They are inexpensive, they are joint-friendly, and they are one of the best tools for women over 50. I recommend a medium resistance band for beginners. After 2 weeks of this exercise, you will feel the difference in how you carry yourself, and other people will notice before you even say anything. Exercise number 4, standing glute kickbacks. Now, your glutes, your buttock muscles, are the largest muscle group in your body, and they are almost always undertrained, especially in women over 50. Here's why this matters beyond aesthetics. Your glutes stabilize your pelvis. Weak glutes equals unstable pelvis, equals lower back pain, hip pain, and knee pain. It's all connected. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Sports Medicine found that targeted glute strengthening reduced hip pain in women over 50 by up to 38% in just 8 weeks. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a chair, holding the back for light support. Keeping your legs straight, slowly kick one leg back and up, squeezing your glute at the top. Hold for 2 seconds, lower slowly. Do 15 repetitions per leg, 3 sets. No weights needed. Your body weight alone is enough to begin. If you want more challenge, add an ankle weight. But honestly, most of my patients get incredible results from body weight alone in the first month. And here's something I love telling my patients. Every time you squeeze that glute, you're also reducing your risk of a hip fracture, because stronger glutes mean better hip stability. And for women over 50, hip fractures can be truly life-altering. Do not skip this one. Exercise number 5, modified dead bug. Exercise number 5, the modified dead bug. This might have the funniest name on the list, but scientifically, it might be the most important one. The dead bug exercise targets your deep core muscles, specifically the transverse abdominis, which acts like a natural corset around your spine. When this muscle is weak, everything falls apart. Back pain, poor posture, poor balance, weak pelvic floor. A 2022 study in the International Journal of Exercise Science found that women who trained their deep core with exercises like the dead bug for 8 weeks reported a 44% reduction in lower back pain, significantly more than those who did traditional crunches or sit-ups. Why? Because crunches actually increase pressure on the spinal discs. The dead bug does the opposite. It braces and stabilizes. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees, feet lifted off the floor, arms pointing straight up toward the ceiling. Slowly lower your right arm above your head while simultaneously extending your left leg toward the floor. Do not let your lower back arch off the mat. Press it into the floor. Return to start. Alternate sides. Do 8 repetitions per side to begin. Build to 12, 3 sets. This is the exercise that protects everything else. Your wall sits, your bird dogs, your daily life. When your deep core is strong, your entire body functions better. I've seen women in their 60s and 70s do this exercise and tell me, Dr. Romalia, for the first time in years, I got out of bed without pain. That is what this exercise does. That is real. That is science, and that can be your reality. Let me quickly summarize your full routine. Exercise 1, wall sit, 3 sets, 20 to 45 seconds hold. Exercise 2, bird dog, 3 sets, 10 reps per side. Exercise 3, resistance band seated row, 3 sets, 12 reps. Exercise 4, standing glute kickbacks, 3 sets, 15 reps per leg. Exercise 5, modified dead bug, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps per side. Do this routine 3 to 4 times per week. Rest days matter. Your muscles grow during rest. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You need a resistance band, a mat, a wall, and 25 minutes. Start where you are, modify what you need to, and be consistent. The women I've watched transform with these exercises didn't do anything extreme. They showed up 3 times a week and trusted the process. In 2 weeks, you'll feel stronger. In 4 weeks, you'll see the difference. In 8 weeks, people around you will start asking what you've changed. Now, before you go, I want to ask you something personal. Are you going to do this? Are you going to try at least one of these exercises today? If your answer is yes, I want you to drop a SAM in the comments below right now. It takes 2 seconds and it will hold you accountable. And if you have a friend, a sister, a mother, a colleague, any woman in her 50s, 60s, or beyond, share this video with her. You might just change her life. I mean that sincerely. I make these videos because I see women every day who have been told, this is just aging. There's nothing you can do. And that is simply not true. The science doesn't support that. My patients don't support that. And I am here to make sure you know the truth. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more women who need it. And every woman who finds this video is one more person who gets to feel better in her body. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Because coming up next week, I'm going to show you exactly what to eat to support these exercises. The top 5 anti-inflammatory foods proven by research to reduce joint pain and boost muscle recovery for women over 50. You don't want to miss that one. I'm Dr. Romalia. You are stronger than you think, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself because you deserve it.